So this is how you can redeem Steam gift cards. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Steam. Today you will learn how to redeem your Steam cards. So go ahead and open up your Steam, and then at the top right you will see your account. Now go ahead and open that, and then go to View My Wallet. Once you're in your wallet, you're gonna see that there are funds that you can buy. Now, this isn't really necessary. You're going to want to go to under your Steam account and then under current wallet balance, and then you'll see two buttons: see my account details and then redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Now, obviously, you're going to want to tap on this, and once you do, you will see this screen: redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Now, there will be a bar over here, and then all you have to do is just type in your code and then tap on continue, and then it'll redeem the code for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, go to wallet, tap on redeem a Steam gift card, and here you are. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.